Hello navigator. Today I am going to show you what are the items an inspector may check in your fireman's outfit box. I will take help of very first thing, what are the equipments should be here. First one, SCBA, that is self-contained compressed air breathing apparatus. Number 2, protective clothing that must be heat and water resistant. Number 3, boot and gloves. Number 4, rigid helmet. Number 5, approved safety lamp. And number 6, insulated axe, and that must be with belt. And number 7, fireproof line. Number 8, radios. First of all, I can show you, maybe there are 2 radios for fireman outfit, for this one and this one. So for each fireman's outfit you have to have 1 radio. So in tanker vessel like this we have 4 fireman's outfit as per SOLAS requirement, and also we have 4 fireman radio. Very primary thing, we are going to check SCBA. So this is the SCBA. There are basically 7 checks for SCBA set. Number 1, visual inspection. Number 2, cylinder content check. Number 3, high pressure leak test. Number 4, whistle warning test. Number 5, face mask seal test. Number 6, positive pressure test. And number 7, supplementary test. We are going to check one by one. Number 1, visual inspection. So visually I can see this SCBA is quite okay. Number 2, cylinder content check. We are going to check how much air inside this cylinder available. So to test this one, we have to make sure that this airway is closed. Okay, now we can open the cylinder valve here, and we can see more than 300. So we can see the pressure is okay as per requirement. Now we can check high pressure leak test together with this. If any sound coming, that means pressure not holding. So primarily we don't feel any leaking here. So this test is done. And number 4, whistle warning test. Now we are going to check whistle warning test. To check the whistle warning, we have to close this valve. That means cylinder valve. Okay. Why we need to close? Because we want to check when this pressure comes below 50, whether it gives automatic alarm or not. Let's check. So as you see, we heard the alarm for coming below 50, and together with we also checked face mask seal test, because when I checked with my mouth I also felt that whether it is holding properly throughout my face or not. It is also called positive pressure test. Now I am going to show you how you can easily wire this SCBA set by yourself. So if you hold this one, carefully check this valve will be downside, so that you can open your valve by yourself. So if you place it like this way and look for the shoulder, here is one shoulder and here is another shoulder. So my suggestion is to take this shoulder like this way on your left hand, catch it with your right hand, and by left hand just simply give on your shoulder, this left shoulder, and the other one you will find by your right hand you will find the other belt. So just take it like this way and like this. So this is the simplest way to wire SCBA set. Now to feel more comfortable with shoulder, you can make a jerk like this so it will automatically fix with your body. That means it will come a little bit and will adjust to your body. So now I feel very comfortable and I can open this valve by myself. To show you, let me show you. I am switching this locking off. I am locking this one and switching it on. See, you heard the sound, so it's on now. Now again let me close and breathe one more time. How you can close this, how you can fix this with your mouth is after fixing here you have to check it out by like this. And open by using your right hand as how I opened it. So this is, I believe, quite simple. So we have checked SCBA. Now we are going to check other items. Rigid helmet available here. Yes. Shoes, protective clothing. This is the lower one and the upper one. Upper one is like this, quite good condition, and lower one also in good condition. So next we have safety lamp. So it's working. We talked about X. This is the one. So it also looks fine. This is the belt for X, and this is the fireproof line, safety line, other way called lifeline. This is used for maintaining signal between the smoke driver and the one stay outside. And these two are hand gloves. Now we are going to talk about what else you may expect your inspector going to check. The main part is servicing. This thing required yearly short service, and this short service is not only for your SCBA bottle but also for the carrier, that means the one attached with it, or I mean this one, so including face mask. So all have to be serviced by a competent sure authority once in a year. There is one more thing that is called SCBA bottle hydro test. That is as per SOLAS 5 yearly. So your bottle has to have hydro test certificate and also tag on the bottle, and separately yearly short service along with tag. Your inspector may check that whether you have done fire drill or not. The requirement is every crew member on board must have participation in one fire drill and one abandoned ship drill. And also let me remind you, for the case when more than 25% crew are changed on board, then you must go for a drill. You must go for a fire drill and abandon ship drill not exceeding 24 hours of departure. And for the case of new ship, very new ship, you have to have fire drill and abandon ship drill even before sailing out. Let's talk about the spare cylinders requirement of SCBSA. That is 100% spare cylinders is required if you have a compressor on board. But if you do not have a compressor on board, then you have to have 200% extra. So that's it.